Come with me to Pasadena. Today I rap, we have some fun. I have been to St. Anita in the heat of the sun. Come with me to Pasadena. Today I rap. I have been to Señorita in the heat of the sun. Then the trip to Paris, and it's leading. And what I have to do, take the next trip and finally go. Come with me to Pasadena. They and I will have some fun. In the heat of the sun. Apsolos, ka braukšu uz Pasadenu, iemācīšos šo dziesmiņu un nodziedāšu viņu daudz labākā kvalitātē. Nē, nu šodien arī bija forši. Bet nu šodien ir piedodami, tāpēc, ka esmu Malibu un tā var būt.